Okay guys, this is the most informative video you're ever going to see about riding gear. So what is the number one piece of riding gear that I'll bet 99% of you guys are forgetting? Okay, is it pants? No. Gloves? No, they're great. Pants are great. Jerseys are great. Knee pads or knee braces. Helmets? No. Goggles, whatever? No. Boots of all sorts? No. Armor, neck braces, padded shorts? It's none of that stuff. This is the most important thing you should start with. It's going to change your riding lifestyle and your riding life. You're going to thank me for this one. You ready, guys? It is. That's right. It is underwear. As wacky as that seems, it's going to be the intimate conversation about the most important piece of riding gear you've ever heard of. And it's not just any underwear. It's this brand Sheath that I've been riding with for almost 10 years. Oops, heard a funny noise, sorry. And this is the secret. It's the magic pouch. If you look at the design of these things, you keep everything safe and secure. You can separate things out if you want. And you are no longer sitting on your nuts, especially your sweaty nuts down here in the warm South Florida. Wasn't a concern of mine when I was living in upstate New York a long time ago. Because of the winters, I don't think I saw my nuts, but maybe a couple of days in August. But a whole nother ball game when you get into this heat and humidity. And these things are amazing for every riding condition. Every bike that you ride, I have not ridden in 10 years without a pair of these things. And I'm going to tell you why. So I hope this helps you guys. I think you're going to love it. I've got some links down below. These guys completely hooked me up. Let me get into the details as to why. Let's check it out. Okay, doesn't matter what you're riding. You can be riding, especially if you're riding MX. Let's pretend this is what I call, this is Frank. Let's pretend you got your regular tighty whities on here. And we're going to use this innocent Kiwi here as an example. So we dropped Junior in there. And what happens? Okay, yeah, you're supposed to be standing up, but say you wanna like get into the turn, so you get up on the tank, and what happens? Bad things happen. And next thing you know, your Kiwis are running around the backside, and what happens there? You bet you're sitting on them. Not good. Okay. Oh, there goes the Kiwis. There goes Frank. So here's the big difference, you guys. Take the whitey tighties off. You're done with those. We are going in with the Magic underwear Sheath brand, which I love for years now. And he's got a great story. The founder developed these after being in Iraq in the military and dealing with some heat and some slapping around. So now, let's do it. You got the magic pouch. Mr. Kiwi goes in there. And guess what? Guess what? Slide up on the tank. It doesn't matter what you're riding. You guys can be, I know you guys probably don't know this, but you know, the trials, this from the trials industry, this bike, it's actually the Escape with the seat. Now, the trials bikes were actually developed without a seat because these underwear didn't exist, and these guys knew that. As soon as they found, these underwear developed, they put a seat back on the trials bikes. So you guys completely understand what's going on. It's okay now to have a seat. So if you guys are riding other things, like say for example, your typical crotch rocket, you're leaning forward, you can keep things tight and out of the way. This crotch rocket is also known as the Kiwi Crusher, no doubt. So you got Sport Tour, you're a little more upright. You're no longer sitting on things in this heat. It doesn't matter if you have a Harley, you don't want to be sitting on your stuff. As things get warm, things tend to drop. So, guys, you are going to thank me for this. There's a link down below. Get you guys a pair. Try them out. I know you're going to love them. It is the number one most important piece of gear. Keep your Kiwis safe and sound. You're no longer sitting on them. It has changed my riding life, especially in the heat. Hope that helps you guys. Take care. Check out the link below. It's called Wet Life Moto Nuts. Get yourself a pair, try them out, and I really appreciate it. Like, subscribe. So I hope to help you guys. Take care.